Good morning. I'm here with my book boxes for January 2026. Yes, again, it's just two, and it's going to stay just two. I went ahead and canceled Fairy Loot because they wouldn't let me skip 2 months in a row, and I only have four skips in a year, and I don't like that limitation. So I just went ahead and canceled them. And plus, I had sent out a message to them about something, and customer service never got back. So, yeah. So, first one, book of the month. I did get the book Boss for last year. And what I got for being a book boss is a book sleeve. How I got it was by reading 15 of their books. So I got a book sleeve. Then they're doing they're doing bookmarks different this year. They're going to a 100 book of the month, 100 months. I can't remember. I know it's not 100 years, but it might be 100 months. But so each month is from an older book that they did, and mine is from Cosmos by Carl Sagan. Book of the Month selection 1980. And there's, I think, 5 different ones they're going to be randomly sending out to the subscribers each month. And that's the one I got. So, one of the books I got was My Husband's Wife by Alicia Finley. And it sounded really good. Eden Fox, an artist on the brink of her big break, sets off for a run before her first expedition. When she returns to the home she recently moved into, Spyglass, an enchanting old house in Hope Falls, nothing is as it should be. Her key doesn't fit. A woman eerily similar to her answers the door, and her husband insists the stranger is his wife. One house, one husband, 2 women, someone is lying. So, yes. And then, because, I love fantasy, and this one sounded so good. Rings of Fate, and I got the special edition. I like their special edition because they are sprayed edges, really pretty. Look at that cover. I think the cover is gorgeous. They don't do anything special on the outside, but they do the end pages. So, and it's only $2.99 extra. So it's not like it's a ton, and I still get a pretty book. Now, Rings of Fate. She's a barmaid who doesn't believe in fairy tales. He is a prince cursed to live one. Curses and Crowns series. Yeah. So those are my 2 book of the months. I can't wait to read this one. Read both of them. I plan on reading both of them. Hopefully this month. So that is my book of the month. And now for my Alara. This is my 2nd month getting. So this month, the bookmark matches the book I got. And see, they've got their name on there, but it does not take away from the picture. Love that. It's a Enemy to Lovers, Slow Burn, Forbidden Love. Okay. No stickers in the bottom this time. That's okay. Ooh. The Wolf and the Crown of Blood. Burn hotter, vicious girl. Let me taste your fury. January 2026, Allura. I like this company because you can skip as much as you want. Okay, the end pages, nothing major on the outside. They're pretty end pages. And I like it. I want to read this one too. This month. I've got a lot of books I want to read this month. Now, centuries of fragile peace are on the brink of collapse. Bonnie Deviant was born to die again and again. In Vertrina, royal blood is the currency of peace, with every monarch sacrificed and resurrected to appease the gods. But when rebellion stirs, the God King sends his deadliest weapon to restore order, an immortal assassin known only as the Wolf. Yeah. Okay, so 3 books. Yeah, I'm happy. And that's my book haul, my subscription haul for this month. And this is it. I don't see myself getting any other books. Yeah. So, I hope everyone has a blessed day, and I will see y'all next week.